After you get your first dose, it takes a few weeks, about 3 or 4 weeks, before your body has produced sufficient protection to reduce your risk of COVID. So if you get exposed in the week or the second week after your first dose, you could still get COVID. But once you've had 3 to 4 weeks after the first dose, the risk of getting COVID is much, much less. After you get the second dose, 7 days after the second dose, you are fully protected. And therefore it is rare to get COVID after you have 2 doses. We already know it lasts several months, but we don't know how long it will last. For instance, the flu vaccine often lasts only a year. You have to then get another flu vaccine the following year. We're hoping that the COVID vaccine will last longer than that. Maybe you will need a booster in a year or 2 years or 3 years. That is still to be determined, but we do know that the vaccine is good, so we are optimistic that it will give you protection for a good while. If someone is sick with COVID currently, then we do not advise them to take the vaccine while they're ill. After they recover, they are going to develop immunity and protection to getting infected again. So usually we say wait 4 to 6 months, since we know that people will have immunity for at least 6 months. So we say allow someone else, since there's such a problem with the number of doses available, allow someone else to get vaccinated and they could wait 4 to 6 months. But if they have recovered and they do take the vaccine, no harm will come to them. In fact, that will act as a booster to their immune system, so they'll be even more protected than before. Someone with lupus should get the vaccine because that's someone with a comorbidity. If they get COVID, they're at risk of having more serious attack of COVID. So as long as they're not having an acute flare-up, then they should get the vaccine. If they're having an acute flare-up of their lupus, as soon as it is controlled, is reasonably controlled, they should get the vaccine.
You have a comorbidity, then therefore you are definitely on our priority listing. So I want to encourage you to continue to build your immune system, eat right, certainly get some sun in the day, a lot of sleep, so that when it's your turn, your system will be ready to accept the vaccine. Thank you. It is a conversation to be had with your physician as to your current robust status. So if you are well, you are not having a flare at this time, then yes, you ought to take the vaccine.